Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. There's nothing sweeter than having a beautiful gathering, but having beautiful dinnerware to go with it is going to really elevate your next gathering. This wonderful disposable set from Gather is a beautiful set that makes it look like you spent a ton of time and money selecting it, but it's all disposable. You can really throw a party that sparkles and shines with this beautiful set. As I mentioned, it comes with 50 of everything, and I love that these plates have that beautiful rose gold color. It's absolutely stunning. And they're not flimsy, but they're strong enough to handle a delicious hot meal so that your utensils won't become the topic of conversation because they keep breaking. The rose gold silverware looks like real metal. It is so pretty. But again, it's really strong so that you can feed your guests in style. This set is elegant and sophisticated. It would be beautiful for a family or corporate event so that you can really up your game when it comes to how you're serving everyone. How beautiful is this set so that you can really elevate and enjoy your next gathering? But that's just my point of view.